Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. This is Future Trading with Mike, and today is the 19th of May, and we're looking at the E-mini S&P 500. That's the ES futures. I am a futures trader, primarily a price action trader that trades basically off of basically supply and demand. So I look for rejections. That's pretty much what I do, and take the retracements. Or pullbacks. If it's your first time view on the videos today, guys, thank you for joining in and watching the live recorded session here. Those who have already subscribed to the channel, you guys already know what it is. I thank you guys for subbing and joining the team already and liking the videos. So your first time viewer, please take the time to go ahead and sub to the channel so that way you never miss one of the uploads here on the channel. And make sure to click on the little bell icon. That will ensure that you get notified each time I drop or post a video. I'm a price action trader. I use a particular strategy, basically trading off of supply and demand levels or zones. And if you're looking for maybe a solid strategy to use, watch the videos. I have lots of videos on the channel showing my strategy. Well, not my strategy, but how I actually trade, supply and demand strategy and look for the rejections and look for price to come back to areas of on retracement. So pretty simple strategy. I profit every day. I always have a say-in or a slogan or motto, however you want to say it. You should be green every day, never in the red. That means that you're not, I'm not saying that you're not gonna have a losing trade or a break even or have a couple of slippage or whatever the case is, but I just believe you should be green every single day. That's the way you build up your account. That's the way at the end of the week you make profit. So if you're looking to follow and join a good channel to where you can, kind of learn a real good solid strategy to trade and make it part of your trading plan, you found the right channel. So go ahead and hit the red button, hit the subscribe button, and watch the video today. This is my live recorded session, like I said, where you can watch me trade live this particular market here. So let's go ahead and get started. I always like to start off and take a look at the higher time frame, which is the 60 range chart. Okay, and overnight here we are right here. Overnight we kind of pulled back right here, and then we broke a little lower here. I did take two solid trades yesterday, or yesterday evening, I should say, and I'll show you those here in a minute after we kind of look through this to see what the market is actually doing. But yeah, we pushed lower. We bumped up into an area or came up to an area of, let's see here, a price, a low pretty much, where the support sitting right here. This was an area where you can see price swinging to the downside, made a low here, and printed a low, pushed up or pulled back pretty much, or a major retracement. This is that retracement that we saw, the pullback, the nice pullback we've seen since May the 12th, where price started chopping it to the upside, making higher highs and higher lows, pushing back down, testing support here, down it's low here, and now price is, has rejected there roughly about 6 this morning. So 6:15 or so, whatever the case is. So price starts chopping to the upside again, trying to break back into structure pretty much. Pushes up, pulls back. This may have been an opportunity to go long right here. This is demand in this area here. Pushes higher. Price has come back into this area pretty much. Let's see here. I am just looking, guys, so please bear with me. Yeah, pulls back in this area right here. This is demand right here. So right now we're kind of moving sideways. You see a low here on the 60 range, a little high right here that we made, and price is moving in a wedge sideways. This up here, I believe was a good area for this is a supply zone sitting right here. The zone is on the 60 range is right here. I'll draw this out for you guys so you can see it right here. So price tap into it. But wait for the rejection, not off the 60 range, but being that we've tapped into this area supply, that was right around 9:45. It's currently 10:11 right now, so I'm just getting started this morning. But you can switch down to or scale down to your lower time frame. For me, it's a 12 range chart, and I start looking for price to hit supply here, right? So I'm looking at my 12 range chart to see if price is going to start breaking structure to the downside. That means making lower lows and lower highs to the downside. Okay, so yeah, so we'll go ahead and take a look at that. And overnight, I'll show you that right quick. This is what I did. I noticed here on the 12 range chart, I'm gonna go back right here. At 8 o'clock, you see right here, price must have hit some area of it bounced off. It bounced off an area of support to the left hand side of the chart. You can definitely see it on the 24 range, 38.96. Let's see if we can see it. That was right here. So let's see. I'm trying to bring it in. Yeah, some area. It was area right here, guys. So area support. Price is bouncing off of. Looks like it may have been. Yeah, solid area. Probably just demand zone sitting over there. And but either way, I was looking at the 12 range chart last night. I saw this. That's what I marked it here with the painters too, and the rectangle box. Price breaking back in the structure, broke up, pulled back, made a high, pulled back, made a higher low, pulled up, and pushed higher. Okay, so when it retraces back down, I marked off the demand zone. I took an entry right here at 38.95 and a half, and I got out up here at 39.04 and a quarter, pretty much. So, so yeah, okay. And then I took a short. This is my second trade I took. Actually, the first trade I took was right here. I noticed price chopping to the downside here, made a low here, pull back, made a lower high, lower low, then it flips around. Okay, green candle to the upside, high, pulls back, pushes higher, starts chopping to the upside, making higher highs and higher lows, basically forming a swing just to swing back down to the downside. But when I saw price pull back and retrace back after it bounced here at 8 o'clock yesterday evening, pulled back to this small little area of supply sitting right here. This area here was structure that broke through this area of support right here. So when price pulled back to it, closed below with a red candle, I went short just to this area right here. So I got in at 38.908 and exited at 39.05 and a quarter. Okay. All right. So I picked up some profit last night trading, and yes, you can see definitely the market is let's see, moving sideways. So we got price pushed up here, then a high, lower high, higher high, pulling back, similar low or similar lower high right here if you want to say, or similar higher low. I'm sorry, higher low right here. Okay, so it's trading within this leg. So we got a wedge. If you guys can picture it and see it, okay, right now. So and I just mentioned that if you look at the 60 range where we're bouncing off of is that area of supply. Okay, so that area of supply we tap back into it at 9:45. I said, and that should be this area right here. Yeah, 9:40, 9:45 right here. And so basically what you want to do in the 12 range, you want to start to see price break structure to the downside. So when you see price break, I mean a high here. Let's see. Yeah, so price didn't pull back to did it? Yeah, it did. So basically, when price broke below here, pull back. This red candle right here in the close to the downside, you can actually go short, but you gotta be careful because even in an instance like that, you got the low right here. You could have went short right here, okay, at 39.11 and 3/4, and taking it back down to the lows out here, maybe picking up 2.5 points right there, okay, and it actually went lower, okay. So right now we're chopping sideways. On a pullback, let's see what happened here. Price pushes down, pulls back, breaks lower, taking out structure to the left hand side here, meaning as it broke support to the downside, it pulls back into this area right here. This is an opportunity to look for a short entry, okay, right here. So we're chopping sideways right now, so be careful. All right, so now what we need to do now is really need to be careful because price started tapping into this area of supply, okay? So being that it's already tapped into area of supply, it could want to, try to push through it now and test higher areas. So typically, what I like to do is once price tap into an area of supply, whatever the case is, I like to, I'm mindful, I kind of stand down and I just wait it out to see is price going to push to this area because it already hit it right here at 9:45. It tapped into it, rejected it. That was your opportunity to look for shorts. I'm not saying you can't go short again, but there is a great probability that price is probably going to try to push through that, but it could reject here and then fold, and then once again it can look for an area to go short. But you gotta let your charts tell you what it's trying to, what the market's trying to do. right, so it's swinging up here. We have not taken this high here out. Let's see. Trying to see, guys. Yeah, we did by a little bit. Okay, so we could get a pullback. We'll see. Not 100% sure, but I'm looking, guys. Yeah, we could get a pullback maybe to this area right here. Price can bounce right here. This is yeah. Price is it broke this high here, so we pushed up. Let's see, broke this high here on the move to the upside. Um, right here, but we came up into this area right here. There's an area of a resistance right here, pretty much area supply sitting right here, and um, price pushes low. It bounced and now it's pushing lower, guys. So we are, let's see, trying to see what the market's doing. Bear with me, bear with me. Yeah, the market's really volatile. So it got up here and it started shooting down real quick. So, what time is it? 10:30. I'm looking at let's see the 60 range chart. Okay, we are trading sideways. It came back to this area of supply here. So, that's like I said, that's area supply. So you look for shorts, but it's moving sideways even on the 60 range. So be careful. Um, hmm. Let's see. Mm, yeah, it's pushing down. But it's trading sideways. A hard time looking at it. Take a look at your 60 range chart, guys. See it moving sideways. It's hitting up against this area of supply sitting right here on this pullback and chopping and moving sideways. But it may come back down here and try to test this retest the lows down here. And then you be back into the area of demand. So be careful. Be careful. Let's see. Ah, yeah, I don't like all this choppiness right here. Nope, nope, nope. Not digging it one bit. Okay. Uh, hmm, look at that bounce there. Um, dang. Let's see. It's definitely chopping sideways. Let's see if it get come back to this area right here. It could come down. It can come back down to this area right here. It can bounce right here as well. So, or it can come up to this area here. So, this is the thing about the market chopping sideways right now. So be careful in price action like this. But let's see what happens when price gets up here. Look at it. Yeah. So we could actually bounce right here too. Hmm. I'm gonna go long. Come on. Oh, I see this area right here. Okay. Where's it at? Right there at 30. It already hit that. Did it hit that area yet? Not yet. Okay. 3906. So I gotta be careful there. Oh, it did hit that area. Man. Man. It bounced there. Okay. All right. We got filled there, but I have to be careful here because I just noticed this area sitting right here. Okay. So I went long right here to close that green candle, but I wasn't paying attention to this area right here. So if price can come back up to test up here where the purple line is at, maybe we can get a rejection. I'm not sure though, guys. But we can actually push lower and test this area down here. So let's see. Look at my trade performance here. I know I didn't pick up much on that trade there. Yeah, I'll pick up 10 ticks. Okay. So let's see what happens here. Market is market is definitely chopping sideways right now. All right, so all right, let's see if we can get a bounce right here. We'll see. It closes below red. Candle closes red to the downside. All right, I'm short. Uh, yeah, I'm gonna take it down to this down here. Let you guys see that trade play out. We should come down here. There we go. Okay, it's got filled there. That's our retracement I just mentioned, back right to the tick on that purple line right there. Okay, at 39.10. All right, price probably will come down to a little lower, maybe 39.03. It's already hitting 39.04, so maybe a couple points, a couple ticks. If it does, it could bounce where it's at now, though. I'm up 26 right now, okay? So it may come a little lower. I'm suspecting that it may come just a slightly, tad, a little lower. Um, I'm gonna take a stab for it. Okay, it's already there. See it? See it? See it hit it? It's already there at 33. So I was trying to go for a sell order, but it's all right. It's all right. Mhm. Yeah. So it's chopping sideways right now. We just gotta be careful. We're in between a supply and a demand zone off the 60 range. See that supply zone, demand out here, comes back down to this area. We can look for an opportunity to go buy, but we got to wait for the rejection off the higher time frame. Okay, and that's how I trade, guys. Supply and demand zones, look for rejections. That's all. So, about 26. I mentioned this area. Um, well, price could bounce right here, but I don't want to take a trade right here, to be honest with you. Yeah. No. I don't. Let's see. Actually, yeah, you can. Let's see. No, that's retrace. Nah, not right here. Maybe it came down to here. I'd be interested, but not where price is at right now. I want to see it come lower. Was it a long right here? Yeah, but you can only take it up to this area right here. It can break this area and push up higher up here, but I'm looking for it to come down here and test 38.94 area. We'll see from there what it does. All right, we're hitting it now, right? Well, a couple ticks away. Okay. Now let's see what happens. The price gets Price has um, I'm not sure here. Let's see. Yeah, it hasn't not since. Yeah, I'm gonna go. I'll probably go long if it closes here. But it could push lower though, so be careful. Could push lower. Chopping sideways right here. You can see it. Uh, yeah, we're coming back down to that demand area. Kind of get down to this area here. You can see it on the 60 range. All right, so we broke that area there. Broke that area right here. So, hmm, hmm. Yeah, let's see. Maybe price come back to this area right here. I'll mark it right here. Let's see what happens. Um, dun, dun, dun. Hmm. Yeah, I'm gonna stand down right now. Kind of wait and see what price is gonna do. Um, a little iffy right now. Price bounce in this area right here. Pushed up, swung back, pushed up, retraced back here, and then it pushed higher. So this is the low of this leg right here. The price may try to retest. It could. This area, if it does, it'll probably test. Um, right here, where this red line is, somewhere in there if it does. Let's see. Hmm. Yeah, I like to see this area right here, maybe. Right here, prices where I have this purple line at. Let's see. Okay. Yeah, where I have this purple line at, I kind of like that area. But if it gets up in here, rejects this area, we may get a trade back down to this area right here. I'm not sure. I'm just gonna wait it out. Okay, there was a short that was right here. I didn't see that. Price broke down here, breaking into structure here, broke, pull back, broke lower. Okay, and the pullback to this area right here, red candle closes red, go short. I missed that. It's okay. Can't see everything. Can't catch them all. Um, let's see. Ah, it's short here. I believe there is. I may have missed the opportunity to take it. Yep. Close that trade. Yep. Right here, back to the top right here, go short, back down to the lows. I missed it. Got into it way too late. Sorry. All right, got a little slippage there. So I got into the trade too late, and that's what happens. Two little ticks lost, but I'm still up 30. So, all right. Okay. Moving sideways right here. So what happened was price broke below here. It broke down, rotated here, made a little smaller level. If you can see it, pushed up, pulled back, broke higher. Price broke back into it. Okay, right here. The short was right when price would trace back up here, close red to the downside. A candle there, go short. I'm looking for up here though, because price. At least I think I am. So we'll see. Yeah, I'm looking for this area right here. Won't probably get much though if we can get into it right here, maybe a little higher. We'll see what happens. Moving sideways in this area right here, building volume. Hmm. Yeah, dropping sideways. All right, let's see. Hmm. Hmm. All right, let's see. I don't know. I feel like price is maybe trying to chop to the downside, test this area here, this low here. That's the kind of the bottom I'm getting right now. So I'm not sure. It's like it means trying to push lower. Yeah, that's what I'm sensing. It's trying to push lower. Yep, it's coming down there. This area right here. Hmm. See if we get a little pullback to this area up here. Yeah, prices. Let's see. Okay, it tested this purple line here, rejected it, bounced, but it came right back down to here. This is an area of support sitting here. So uh, be careful because price can bounce right here. Hmm. Let's see. 36.25. 96.25. Okay. Mm. All right, let me see if the price is going to bounce right here. Okay, in this area right here. I'm not sure. Hmm. Choppiness moving sideways here. Hmm. Okay. Um. Yeah, those are short, right here. Didn't take it though. Okay. Go along. Ah, my long is no good because I didn't wait for the close right here. Okay. Mm, come on, push up. 96.25. Okay. There we go. First contract, second contract. Okay, we got filled there. Testing this area here. Bounce off of this little area right here. Hmm. Let's see. Price is trying to retrace a little lower or push lower. Um, hmm. Okay. It's testing this now. Let's see. Hmm. Not sure about this one. Let's wait and see. Okay, that was a long. It was long. Didn't get it. Didn't get into it. Yeah, the long was right here. Price broke above 95.5. Okay. Let's see. Let's see. Hmm. Price is definitely moving sideways. We are in a wedge, guys. We got a high right here, a low right here. So price pushed up, retrace, have a low, have a high. So it's trading within this leg right here. Moving sideways. All right, let's see. Yeah, don't get chopped up in this stuff because it's definitely moving sideways. That last trade was 9 ticks. I'm up 39 ticks right now. Hmm. Moving sideways. Chop, 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 chop. Choppy Thursday. I'm gonna wait it out right here, guys, because we're definitely wedging. You can't see it. This is what it's doing. Wedging, building volume in this area. Gotta be able to read and understand what price is trying to do. This choppy price action. But this was long. Um, right here in this area right here, the moment price broke back above 38.95 and a quarter, you could have went long. It's too choppy for me. All right. Um, hmm. Maybe we get a little pull back to this area here. I'm not sure. It's breaking lower. So I'm not sure. Not sure. We'll see. Yep, breaking lower. Yeah. All right. She is breaking lower. Hmm. Choppy, choppy, choppy. Okay. I'm late. Really late. Yeah. I'm gonna scalp this real quick. Get out real quick. Price can come to this area right here. Scalping it real quick to get out. That was not a good entry. I picked up 5 ticks right there. Hold on a minute. Let me see. Yeah, 5 ticks. All right. 44 ticks right now. That was not a good entry, guys. No, 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 no. Bounce off this area right here. Um, but you got to be careful because um, actually price can go a little higher. I don't know, really looking at it. Yeah, I'm noticing that it can go a little higher here. Yeah. So price came back to this is a demand area right here. Okay. I'll draw it for you so you can see. Um, right here. Actually, the area, let's see. Yes, right here. This is the demand area right here. Right below this high volume area. Okay. Price came into it, tapped into it. The thing is, where will price push up to? Um, honestly, I don't think it's done. I think it needs. I think it's going to run a little higher. It's just pulling back right now, if you ask me. Yep, I'm going long. I think it's going to test a little higher. 39.96. Yeah, I think it's going to test a little higher. There we go. Come on, hit it. There we go. See? Knew it was going to test higher, so I came out really good on that trade there, guys. Um, that trade there. Let's see. Boom, boom. Uh, yeah, that was a really good trade. Picked up 10. Let's see. Hold on a second. 10, 20, 36 ticks on that trade right there. All right. I'm not mistaken. Let's see. Oh, I took two trades there. Okay. The last trade I just took, I put a 26 tick. One before that was 10 ticks. So yeah, total 36 ticks right there. Okay. All right. All right. So I'm up 80 ticks right now. That last trade, I got it. That was a pullback to this area demand right here. Okay. Candle closes green. You go take that long, and you can take it back pretty much to this area right here, and it's still running up. But I got in right here at 38.88 and got out my trade. Let's see where I got out at. To be honest with you. Um, well, let's see. It's just going to show me because I got into it twice. So that second entry, I got into it right here at 38.90. Sorry about that. And I got out my last contract right here at 94.5. So that last contract was 4 points. Okay. So that was a pullback to this area of demand right here. Okay. Price push down here, pull back, push lower. Okay. Pull back, made a low here. Then price turned back around, bounce, started breaking structure to back, started breaking structure, meaning started pushed up, started making these little higher highs and higher lows to the upside. So it was breaking resistance to the upside. Took out this area of resistance over here. So you look for a pullback. Right here, you could have went, um, let's see, you possibly could have went long here, but the better entry was down here at the bottom towards the lows right here. Okay, so okay, all right, we'll take a look to see what if we can get to one little small, little more trade. If not, then we're just gonna call it quits for today. It's 11:13 right now. Um, Price that are making higher highs here from below. Hmm. Yeah, it's moving even sideways right here. So yeah, I don't know what the market's gonna do. Um, it could come down to this area right here. I'm not sure though. We'll see. Or it could come a little lower and test this area down here right around 88. So it's not tapped. Actually, it has tapped into it. So if we get a break here, I'm going long. I believe the zone is right. Um, it's right here. So we'll see. But it's moving sideways, guys. This is sideways price action right now. Hmm. let's see. Hmm. Don't know about this one. Don't know about this one. Don't like this because it's moving sideways. So, uh, yeah, I'm going long. I'm going long. I think price is going to run back up here to. Come on. Come on, push higher. Should break higher. Come on. There we go. All right. It's probably going to come up here and test 3,900 now. Somewhere in that area. It could bounce right here. All right. So that's going to be it for me today. It could pull back before it pushes higher though. So that last trade. What time was the last trade? 11:17. What time is it? Yeah, 11:17. So, uh, 26 ticks. All right, 26 ticks. So today, 106 ticks total. Okay. All right, guys. I'm gonna wrap it up. If you're trading, please be safe today, guys, because the market is chopping, moving sideways. Price action. You can see it even 60 range chart. Look at that. Higher time frame, scaling down to the lower time frame chart or lower time frame chart. We'll take a look at the 24. See it? Moving sideways, but you just got to be able to pay attention to the price action and read market structure. I think price is going to run up here and test this area here, though. Still trying to push higher. So, but yes, 106 today, 106 ticks on the ES. Let's see. It came down here. I thought it was going to bounce right here. It didn't. It pushed a little lower into this area right here. So the area of demand would have been right here on this trade, right here. Price tap into it. See it? It's already at 38.97. I think it's going to probably test up here, maybe like I said, 3,900. But or even a little higher. It could come up here test 3902. But it's probably going to pull back, chop before it pushes higher. So, but be careful because we are definitely wedging. Even right here, we're wedging big time. Let's see. So we had a high here, a low here, made another high here. So have a high and a low. Price is moving sideways, and pretty difficult to trade when you see this choppiness like this. So let's just say we'll pay attention a little bit to see how far price runs up. Let's see if I'm right, because we're already, I said 3,900. Where we at? 1 point away, 2 ticks, 1 tick. See what I said? So I knew price would bounce right there in that area, and it did. I mean, it ran to that area, like I said, back up towards the highs. It could push a little higher and come up here and test um, this area here at 3901. So we're probably a point and a half, point and a quarter away. So that's only like 5, 6 ticks right there. So that's going to do it, guys. I'm going to go ahead and jump off here. I'll see you guys tomorrow in a live recorded session. If you're trading, please be safe in the market. See you next time. If you're interested in any of the books that I have in the, I have below, there's some books in the description, some good trading books to read. Have links to them, so take a look at some of the books down below. See you guys tomorrow.